to welcome you to the 2025 Anime Christmas Party.
Parma lang. Okay, so dapat po ba nagbabalat, Sir Chino, o parang ano?
Ay, buo na.
Buong buo na daw. Buong buo na daw. Kahit pinakamalaking suma na isubo mo. Diba? Ready, sir? Go.
Suman.
Out. Okay, dapat girl. Alright. Tatlo na lang.
The best anime costume is... Ito si Sir Chino. Kinupulungan ako, 5 daw ang magiging winners sa raffle draw na ito.
So singing What's Up, we got table number 7.
Others here, trying together, they give you all.
So, mabalik naman po ako sa spirit ng ating celebration. Nag-enjoy po ba tayong lahat? Wala naman po umuwing luhaan, ano? Masaya naman po tayo sa prizes. Tama po ba? You know, this is just a simple effort for Sir Chino and Ma'am Lily to show all of you kung gaano po kayo ka-importante